Look at this old Chevy, guys. Is that not cool? I mean, that's just downright cool. Somebody's repainted it one time, but many, many years ago. Looks like you could get in it and drive it, guys. Oh yeah, see, interiors. Not original, but it's very nice. Somebody's probably redid this back in the 80s or 90s, showing 43,651. I bet them are original. What years is this, guys? Tell me in the comments. I'm thinking 30 to 34, but I want to know. So guys, tell me what year it is and what makes it different from the years close to it. Look at that engine. Here for you guys. Information there. Little Fisher body. You guys that know your numbers and know where to look at. That is sharp. Very sharp. Ooh, guys. Watch where you're going, Willie. A little blurry on me. There it goes. This $200 A51, it's not the greatest, but it does a lot better than that little cheap $60 phone I did that gas station video on. I'm gonna upgrade, but I don't do budget by choice. I'm at 609 on subs. When I hit 1,000, I'll be monetized. I can make a little bit of money. I got over 110,000 views. And I'm going to put the money right back in the channel. Traveling farther to buying cars. Sometimes I drive 50, 70 miles one way, guys. And got to come back and go home. So I'm going to put all the money into my channel. And if I ever do really good, I'll put the money or our father and son projects, the 78 Scottsdale and the 70 Buick Riviera. Yeah, that's cool, guys. That's just cool. That's downright cool, I tell you. Hey, as always, guys, thanks for watching and keep being you. Look what I found, guys. Old Model T truck. Or is it Model A? I'm thinking if it is a Model A, it's right, you know, 2930. Last Model T was made in 28. Look how clean that thing is. Oh yeah. I don't think it's original seat. The old wood and tin and chicken wire. 01345 on the miles there. That's pretty cool. I'm not Libby's pumpkin patch. I'm not sure, but I do think it's a Model A truck, but I could be wrong. That'd be what, 29 to 32? If not, it's a Model T. Very cool looking truck. Complete. Look at that. Distributor and everything. Yeah, I'm thinking this is a Model A. You guys tell me in the comments. Tell me why it's that year. What's the difference? I appreciate it, guys. Remember, keep being you. Check out this old fire truck, guys. I'm knowing it's in the 50s, but I don't know what year this old International is. I'm guessing 54, 55, 53. Please, guys, leave a comment. Tell me what year you think it is and why, so we all can learn from this. Oh, look at that. Keys in the switch. Showing 70. No. 30,000. Clean inside. Very clean. Albany area volunteer fire department. And I'm just outside of Albany, so it's not went too far. That's cool, man. It's cool to see the ladders and everything still on it, lights. Very old cool International fire truck. Remember, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do. At 609, when I hit 1,000, I can make a little bit of money. Help me travel and put out more videos. And remember, keep being you. Here where I did the video on the fire truck, look at this little go-kart. After a Model T. Isn't that cool, guys? I'd ride that little thing around. Just a little quick short to show it. I about got my car and went away, and then I was like, wow, look at that little cool thing. Later, guys. Keep being you.